Many vegetable crops, depending on your climate, can be direct sown outdoors, and those that can't can be purchased at your local nursery. But you won't get the choices or the satisfaction that comes with starting your own seedlings indoors. The problem can be affording the equipment necessary, especially grow lights. Are grow lights really necessary? And how expensive a light must you buy? This video gives a brief discussion of the benefits of grow lights, and if you watch to the end, I'll point you to a free DIY video that explains in step-by-step detail how to build your own inexpensive light stand and equip it with standard shop lights. Hello, this is Stephen from shortseasongarden.com, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3 in Eastern Canada. So subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up and a comment, and check me out on social media on Instagram or Facebook at Short Season Garden. So, you want to start your own seedlings indoors and you don't have a grow light. Is the south-facing window enough? Unfortunately, probably not, especially in higher latitudes with short winter days and long winter nights. You may get by with greens or herbs that tolerate a lot of shade, especially once they get a little bigger. However, the weak winter sun rays filtered through the glass will just not produce enough lumens of light for your tomato and pepper seedlings. The window light from a bright sunny day in late winter or early spring can't come close to the light your plants will get outside, even in a shaded area. To be successful in indoor seed starting, you really need artificial lights, and they should be on for at least 14 hours per day. I use an inexpensive timer to keep my grow light on for 16 hours and off for 8 hours. If money is no issue, by all means get yourself a nice LED grow light. They are very energy efficient and emit very little heat, so you can allow them to almost touch your seedlings without causing damage. Most of them emit specific wavelengths of light, mostly blue and red, which are not aesthetically pleasing to the eye but very effective at plant growth. The problem is, although the purchase price is coming down, they are still relatively expensive. I love my LED grow light, which is adjustable in height and just the right size to fit over one 10 by 20 plant tray, but it is not nearly large enough to cover all of my seedlings, especially once they start to get large. I found that old-fashioned 4-foot shop lights with just the cool light or daylight bulbs, if placed 2 to 6 inches above new seedlings, are almost as effective as LEDs. My homemade 3-tier shelf system uses leftover decorative chain to raise and lower the lights according to the height of the plants. While admittedly not as pleasing to the eye as some systems available for purchase, it is very economical and effective. You can click this link to see my step-by-step detailed video instructions after you hit the like and subscribe button.